Assembling the Arozzi Arena or Arena Medium gaming desk is easy. We suggest that you assemble your desk on a protective surface. This guide is divided into 4 parts. Feel free to skip ahead using the handy dandy capture lines below, or just follow along. Start with step number 1, the legs. Let's attach the feet to the legs themselves. You'll find 8 screws in bag A, 4 for each leg. Make sure not to tighten any of them until all 4 screws are in. Then tighten them diagonally, like this. Make sure to repeat this step until every screw is completely tight. Do the same for the other leg. Step 2 covers the frame of the desk. The most important thing when building the frame is not to tighten any of the screws. This will be done later on, just to make sure that everything fits properly. Align the frame pieces as follows. The oval-shaped holes should be facing downwards on all of the pieces. Then align the 4 holes on the long pieces, with a small piece in the middle. There are 16 screws in bag B that are used to connect the different frame pieces together, 8 for each section of the frame. And don't tighten these just yet. There are 8 screws in bag C that are used to connect the frame pieces to the legs. Make sure the shorter frame pieces are facing inwards on both sides. And don't tighten these screws either. Step 3. It's time to take our 3 tabletop pieces and align them with each other. There are 14 screws in bag D that are used to connect the frame to the tabletop. And one last time, don't tighten the screws. Okay, now we can actually start tightening the screws. That is, all 38 of them. Start with the 8 screws in the middle. Make sure the tabletop pieces are properly aligned without any gap when doing this. The last step is to attach the cable management net to the underside of the tabletop. If you got the standard sized Arena, you got 6 screws in bag E. If you got the Arena Medium, you got 8 screws in bag E. These can be tightened by hand. I then asked a friend from a previous guide video, Spider-Man, to help me attach the net. You can also do it yourself by putting the loops of the net around the screws, and the net will be ready to be used. That's it for the assembly. All you have to do now is to flip the desk over to start using it. We recommend to be 2 people when doing this. Then roll out the full surface mousepad. If you got uneven flooring, you can rotate the feet to adjust their height. Just make sure to lift the desk up before doing this. If you got the standard sized Arena desk, you can adjust the height of the entire desk by 10 mm by adjusting the screw at the bottom here. Simply unscrew a bit, adjust the height, and then tighten the screw again. If you need further assistance, you can go to our website and contact us. You can also find more information about the features of your desk, assembly guides and maintenance videos here on our YouTube channel. Now enjoy your new gaming desk.